In this video, I'll be replacing my Renault fob key with a new one that I purchased from AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description. So I'm just going to remove the old one. The old one is getting a bit damaged and worn out. Now the Renault Koleos keys is basically this. It doesn't have any option to connect it to a key. So if you're carrying a bunch of keys, there's no way to connect this to the key holder. So what you can do is you can buy one of these fob covers and then put in your fob key and then connect it to your bunch of keys. So this is the one that I bought. Silver color. I'm just going to put the original fob key into the front part here until it's made out of a little bit of plastic. So this is how it looks like. And now there's a back cover as well. Just got to put in the back cover. Oops, drop that. Okay, you got to put the back cover here. It's nice and easy to use. You just clip it on. And then it's got the hook here at the top to hook your keys to it. Nice and easy. Just push it all in and then reconnect the hook to the keys. So I'll be using the original one that came with the other set, which I'm going to throw away. And it just screws it in through the top hole here. And just screw that in. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe and follow the channel.